Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can animate on click on Canva. So let's start by creating our first page. And of course, the idea behind this is that we're gonna duplicate the pages, and on each page something new will happen. And then if we go to the presentation, we will run the presentation. Then by clicking, we will switch to the next page. So for instance, let's use this text over here. This will be the text that will appear on the first page. This is our first page, simple as that. And then let's click over here on these three dots in order to duplicate the page. So let's use this option over here. And now we have two pages that are identical. So the second page is of course what should happen after the click. So let's say we want to keep this text, but we want to have something in addition to that. So let's say we're gonna use this one, and then let's move up. Let's move it up a bit. And now what we can do is, for instance, go to Animate in order to make it even more fancy. And let's say I'm gonna choose a tumble. Why not? And now what we can do is select the first page. And then if we go to present, and let's say we're gonna go present full screen, and let's click present. And now if I click, then the next page will pop in, and obviously the next page is pretty much how we created that page. Then I have my text popping up. And that's how you can make animations on click on Canva. So pretty much in order to go to the next page, you need to click. So that is by default. You can of course also use arrows. So if I go back to the presentation, and I can use arrows in order to switch between pages. So it's not exactly just the click, because this is just one of the ways to go to the next page. So like I said, if you want to create something like this, if you want to make an animation after you click on your presentation, then this is how you can do this. And if you want to, we can create another page. So let's say I want to, after another click, I want another text to pop up, right? So I'm gonna duplicate this page over here, and then we can add another text, let's say just a simple one like this one over here. Let's say over here, right? And now without any animations, I can just leave it like that. So let's see how it looks like. Let's start with the first page. Let's go to present. Let's present it on full screen. And now if I click, then of course this will be the second page. And now I click once again, and then this page shows up. The third page shows up, which is this one. And of course this text is animated because I selected so. So if I go to animations over here, then of course we have the tumble selected. But if you want to, you can not use the animation. That's completely up to you and how you want it to be. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.